Today I am going to show you guys how you can control your garage door from a website like this that you can access on your home Wi-Fi or even globally through a dynamic DNS. So basically, the main component of this project is a microcontroller called a ESP-01, and it is the smallest board that has the chip ESP8266 running on it, and it looks like this. And I use one on this project. It is the main component, and I made up a whole code for this project that will produce a website like this, and that code is down in the description, a link to my GitHub, so check that out if you want to do this project. So basically, what you do with this microcontroller is you buy a header to breadboard converter, and you plug that into a breadboard, and then you wire it up properly. So how I did this is the garage door buttons on my garage door, the buttons you press to open the door and do the light, the one for the garage door, I took the box off the wall and attached wires to each side of the contacts of the button, so that now you have two wires that when they're connected, it presses the door button. And you won't want to connect this directly up to your circuit. You will definitely want to use a opto isolator. So basically all that is you put in a small voltage to power the LED inside of the opto isolator, and then that connects to other pins and it's isolated, but it's solid state. That's what makes it different than a relay. And they're exceedingly cheap, so you need one of those, and you just connect up the two switching pins to the two wires coming from the garage door button, and then you power up the other side of the opto isolator directly from the pin through a resistor, the pin 2 on the microcontroller. So now when you press this button on the website, it opens the door. A couple of things to mention here is that on the script for this project, you must change your Wi-Fi, SSID, and password values so that it will work with your Wi-Fi. And other than that, I think that's the only thing you would need to modify. Of course, you can change the styling of the website. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and definitely feel free to make this project on your own. It took me quite a few hours to make the code for it, but to set up the circuit didn't take long at all, and the overall cost is very low because this microcontroller costs like $5 on most sites if you just buy one, and you can definitely find them even cheaper than that. And an opto isolator, very cheap. I have a bunch of those that I always use for projects, and breadboards are also not that expensive. So this whole project is very cheap, and the result is either a website that you can use to open up your garage door locally, or if you use a dynamic DNS service, then you can bypass local and go straight to global. So no matter where you are, you can open your garage door with a solid connection, regardless if you're connected to the Wi-Fi. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.